More and more Aussie families are choosing off-road adventures as their choice of holiday. Well, the Cruizer Slide could be your ticket to Aussie adventure without breaking the bank. The versatility of a slide-out rear section makes this stylish forward fold comfortable for a family of 5 or 4 adults. Adding a huge 900mm to the living and sleeping area allows a comfortable second bed or club lounge with storage area. Up front, there's a queen-size bed for a great night's sleep, with a privacy screen and internal zip-up blinds for privacy. For extra space, the Cruizer Slide comes with a large annex for a bigger living area or space to accommodate more people. With large windows combined with midge-proof mesh, the annex can be opened up for bug-free summer comfort or closed up for protection from the weather. Power is supplied by 2 100-amp AGM batteries that are charged with a quality Projecta 7-stage charger. A 600-watt inverter is supplied as standard to power small 240-volt appliances. 12-volt and USB outlets take care of powering portable devices, and a quality Kenwood sound system provides entertainment for the music lovers. The all-metal body gives the Cruizer Slide enormous strength and durability that can't rot or perish. The close-weave Sherpa canvas tent is supported by strong galvanised poles with corner gussets that will tackle the wild weather. Beneath the camper body is MDC's legendary off-road chassis and suspension that's taken thousands of Aussie adventurers to every iconic destination from the Victorian high country to the tip of Cape York. Coil springs, dual shock absorbers are combined with parallel axles and the biggest bearings in the market. Additionally, 12-inch off-road brakes and 16-inch alloy wheels makes the Cruizer Slide the toughest off-roader in its class. Getting off-road means being off-grid ready. That's why the Cruizer Slide has a huge fridge slide to take the popular size dual-zone fridges. Opposite, there is a generous additional storage for your camping gear, and on top, a handy rack for larger items including the tinny or kayaks. This lightweight and versatile camper is off-road ready and capable of taking you to the far corners of Australia. Strength, style and versatility. The Cruizer Slide has got it all. For more information, head into one of our stores nationwide or go to marketdirect.com.au.